It's not often you get a text message from a buddy with these pictures wondering if this is something we can grill on the RatRod BBQ. I said, come on with it, I'll fire up the grill. We took that tuna head, we split it in half, and now we're going to take mirin. We're going to grill this. We're just going to soak this in mirin, give it a good coat, and we're going to take some of the best salt in the world and put it on some of the best fish. Newfoundland tuna, getting a nice treat of Newfoundland sea salt. Now, of course, we're going to flip this over and salt the other side of these halves. Now we're going to get the RatRod BBQ all set up. I got some coals burning and some birch fired up. We're going to move this all around, spread everything out, drag those coals in, put that fire around the outside. We're going to do a mixture of coals and live fire for this bad boy. This big red wheel and that moving grill attached to the chains is one of my favorite things I built for this barbecue. Now it's time to get that succulent tuna head on the barbecue for some grilling time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.
I picked up this great little fan at the flea market. Gets those coals rolling and smoking.
The size of this head is unbelievable. That is triple wide, extra wide, heavy duty tin foil to cover this up. We're going to try and help some of that smoke get right inside that flesh. This beautiful tuna was landed in Portagrave, Newfoundland by Pitcher's Legacy out of Heart's Content. What a beast of a fish. Well, that head was absorbing some smoke and fire. We found a moment to sear off some of its loin. Not bad. Cooked to perfection. Ooh. An hour and a half on each side, and it's ready to roll. 8-pound tuna head we just took care of. We gilled it. We took the tongue out of it. We grilled it, and now we're going to see the sweet part is supposed to be the cheek. So that's what we're going after, right underneath this eye socket. So we're going to try and peel this skin back a bit. See if we can get here. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. I need a pair of gloves. I'm going to peel this back. Get in here. Nice layer of fat. Now, I hope my friends never stop texting me with questions like this. What a treat we're getting into here. Here, we'll start with this little piece. I think it's tender. I think it's cooked. I don't think there's anything wrong. We gotta get a little taste. See how we're doing. Ooh, all that fat soaked right into the meat. Ooh, what a flavor. Needs a little sprinkle of salt across the top to finish it off. Wow.